Welcome back, everyone. I went and spoke for like 5 seconds and I just realized that it wasn't even recording, but I'll go ahead and show you exactly a couple of different ways on how to actually go ahead and fix your PlayStation 4 microphone if it's not working in 2021. Now, there's a couple different ways to go about doing it. The very first thing you want to do though is make sure that your mute switch is not on your PlayStation 4 controller. So what you can do in this case is pretty much go into your volume control. Typically, sometimes they are on the actual microphone itself, and you want to make sure that the mic doesn't have the mute switch on. It's typically, as I stated before, with the PlayStation 5 controllers, we now have a dedicated mute switch. With the PlayStation 4 controller, the microphone that you may have connected to the controller may have a mute switch, so you're probably better off if you actually go ahead and, make sure that the mute switch isn't on. Now, if that isn't the case, sometimes there can be a faulty connection from your, mic to the controller itself. So what you want to do in this case is you want to totally disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller from the microphone that you're using. You want to give it a couple of seconds. You want to reconnect them. And you want to see if the chat is working then. Sometimes it's as easy as just unplugging it and plugging it back in. If this ends up fixing the issue, then you're set. Then you know it's just a connection problem, and you probably know it was a loose connection. Now, if that doesn't end up fixing the issue, you want to go ahead and make sure that first of all the controller works and the microphone works. If they're able to turn on, but you're just not able to go ahead and input anything, aka say anything, the best thing you can do here is to pretty much verify that the headset is working with another device. So go ahead and plug in that microphone if you have it to maybe like another device. If you have like a phone or tablet that supports that type of audio, you want to go ahead and see if you're able to transmit any audio from the microphone to that other device. If you are, then you know that there's probably just an issue with your PlayStation 4 controller. If you're not able to transmit any audio from your microphone to any other device, then you know it's the microphone problem. So you want to go ahead and troubleshoot that specific microphone. There's a bunch of microphones out on the market, so I can't just, tell you how to fix your specific one. But just type in, my microphone isn't working, and then type in your model number. And you should end up finding some things that'll go and help you out. And ultimately, you probably just want to make sure if you have another microphone laying around, go ahead and test it back into your PlayStation 4 controller and see if it's actually able to work. Then you know that it's the microphone problem and not the PlayStation 4. But if you try another microphone and the PlayStation 4 controller doesn't work either, then you know that it's your problem with your PlayStation 4 controller. So your best bet is to fully disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller from your PlayStation 4, reconnect it back in, and then see if the microphone is working then. If your microphone is working now, then you're set. If it's still not working, then your best bet is to try another PlayStation 4 controller. Believe it or not, sometimes you have to do a lot of troubleshooting to get these things fixed. And if you try another PlayStation 4 controller and it's working, then you know it was just a problem with the PlayStation 4 controller. If it's still not working, you can go ahead and update your console to the most recent version of the Sony PlayStation software and see if that fixes the problem. At this point, it should end up fixing the problem. Believe it or not, sometimes it's as easy as updating. And at this point, your best bet is probably to update your specific console. So that really pretty much covers it up for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.